is this amazing constellation I found in Ultraman. It's called Spica. Spica is this amazing blue supergiant. It's the first blue supergiant we found.
Yes, right?
Yes. And it's really amazing because it's really big and very bright too. It's like I told you, the first blue supergiant on our list. There's also this star we call the North Star for a very, very long time, which is called Polaris or Polaris A. Polaris is our North Star. It's quite rare, so it's quite amazing that it exists as our North Star.
Polaris is what a big giant
It's
yellow star.
Yeah, it's a big giant yellow star that exists, and it's really cool because it's quite rare that this exists. It's quite rare of this existence, so we're quite happy that we found it. Now, here's our giant big boy, Betelgeuse, the lion howl of the set. Like it looks like the biggest star around. It's undoubtedly a big red giant, a red supergiant. Supergiant, the name is his game, like it's big and it's cold. Surprisingly, it's quite cold. The blue ones have a lot of energy, so the blue ones compress a lot of hydrogen, like fuse a lot of hydrogen, so they're very hot. But the cold one is the red because they often run out of fuel and they have to fuse helium instead.
They start using helium now.
They start using helium. So that's why they get quite cold. Now, what's strange about these stars is that they get cold to about the same point. They get cold to about 3,000 degrees Celsius, and that's it. So no star should ever be in this point by this time. By this time, they should already be dead, but this is the limit of almost all of them.
They shouldn't pass this.
Yes, it's very strange, but some stars have passed the limit. So
they observe the temperature that they observe is past this point.
Yes.
But in theory, the star that have the energy past this point is not supposed to be there. It should be like explode
already, but it's still there. So it's quite strange.
So they're looking for the reason that's why
it's
and
there.
what they find out.
They found out. They drew this new diagram. This classifies blue and red again, and it looks at wavelength and log or flux of it. So you see these little dips in here? You see the little dips? They determine how cold or how hot it is. If it's very small dip, then it will be very hot, like a blue type, a maximum blue type. But if it's like very big ones, like all over the place, it's gonna be a red cold one. Now.
So here,